Hello guys, welcome to the new vlog. I'd like to demonstrate my regular motorcycle chain maintenance routine involving cleaning and lubrication. I use Motul C1 a chain cleaner and C2 a chain lubricant for this purpose. I've had a positive experience using this product on my previous motorcycle too, and I highly recommend it to fellow bikers. Let's go and get it done. So currently my bike's chain is very dirty as you can see, and there is oil on the rim due to an unsatisfactory chain lubrication by a mechanic on the highway. The oil used was not sufficiently viscous. I have just applied Motul C1 chain cleaner on to both the chain and a small amount on the rim where oil was present. Now I'll take the bike for a wash and ask the person to scrub the chain with more force. This will help clean off my oil and dirt that got loosened by using the C1 spray. Now with a clean chain, next we'll proceed to apply a chain lubricant on. I use Motul C2 for this purpose. It should be sprayed in the middle section of the chain, followed by applying it both sides where the joints are located, and finally on the outer sides of the chain. You can reapply the chain lube every 400 to 500 kilometers maybe, unless there is significant dirt accumulation on the chain. For a bike wash including the use of C1 chain cleaner and C2 chain lubricant, it is recommended around every 1000 kilometers. I hope this video and information have been helpful to you. In the video description you will find the Amazon links for both Motul C1 chain cleaner and C2 chain lube. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Thank you for your support.